Happy Tuesday. I just finished doing my makeup and I'm wearing the new eyeshadow I got from MAC. You can't tell how sparkly it is, but I'm about to film a video and I thought since I always use this light, it might pop up. You might be able to see it better. Maybe I'm wrong, but I feel like it just looks so pretty and it just makes me feel so happy. So I'm still using the sample. The actual one hasn't come in the mail yet. I got a PR package from Briogeo over the weekend and I want to use one of their products. This is the Style and Treat. It's a full miracle styling foam and apparently it has a heat protectant in it too, which is perfect because I love to diffuse my hair because my hair just takes forever to dry. I feel like I've been diffusing my hair for over 30 minutes. It just takes so long for my hair to dry even when I'm diffusing it. So I'm gonna let the rest of it air dry. And I don't know how I feel about this product because the consistency of it just made my hair feel dry and it was just like rough. It didn't feel like it was moisturizing. But now that my hair is starting to dry, it's starting to feel better. And it says you can give yourself a blowout with this stuff too. It's like volumizing, but it also says it works on curly hair. So I'm like, how come it feels like it's drying my hair out? And this smell, it doesn't really have a nice smell either. It kind of smells like chemicals, but it says it has good ingredients in it. So I'm a little confused. I finger rolled my whole head just to see how it would look. I did this last week and I didn't film it, so I thought I'd try it again now that I'm filming. And a lot of them are coming out, but there's still some tight curls in there. Once my hair is completely dry, I'll separate them and I think it'll look really nice. Right now, I am about to do some reading because I haven't been reading lately. I kind of just fell off, but I spent most of yesterday reading and trying to stay off my phone, which is so hard for me because I feel like we're just all addicted to our phones, especially me. But this is Dance of Thieves and I'm like almost halfway through it. It got water damage when I took it to the beach with us for 4th of July. But it's getting good, so it's not like I hate it. It's just the beginning was really hard to get into, and now that like it's getting good, I feel like I need to finish it. And then what's that other book that everyone's reading? It's there's like another book that I want to get that everyone's reading. I have it in my cart on Amazon. So that's the main reason I want to finish this book, is so I can start on the next one because this one's okay. It's about 6:30. My husband and I are on our way to Soda Box. A new location just opened down the street from us and it's right next to the lake that we go to for our walk. So we're gonna pick up one of those and do a lap, Dua Lipa. I've been craving Diet Coke lately so much to where like I almost buy some when I'm in the store, but I know it's not good for you, so I haven't bought any. But they have some really cool drinks on the menu and I'm gonna get Diet Coke. One of the favorites is called Lime in the Coconut. So it's Diet Coke, coconut, fresh lime, and cream. But then there's another favorite that I could do with the Diet Coke, and that would be vanilla, raspberry, puree, and cream.
Ooh!
I think I'm gonna stick with Lime in the Coconut though.
Seriously?
My husband's gonna do Pretty in Pink. He's gonna do a Sprite. They have some energy ones with Monster. He would have gotten one of those if we came earlier in the day, like around noon, but it's just way too late in the day for caffeine right now. So he's gonna do Sprite with cherry, strawberry, raspberry, and passion fruit. That's a favorite as well. I've never heard or seen Soda Box before. This is like my first time. They had like a big sign when we were coming back from our walk the other day. So we just decided to try it. Cute little date idea. Look at the menu. They have small, medium, large, and extra large. And we're looking at if you buy a tumbler, an extra large tumbler, they'll only charge you for medium sized drinks.
Follow them on Instagram.
I already am. The inside looks cool too, we were just saying. It's trendy. Got the drinks. Okay, I haven't tried mine yet. I'm about to try it for the first time. Mine looks like a coffee, kind of. That's interesting. It's giving a hint of Diet Coke, but the other flavors kind of overpower it. Let me see yours.
That's not bad.
You said yours is giving Shirley Temple. That's good, but super sweet. We're just talking about like who comes here, like who's gonna keep this place in business. I think it's mainly kids because I don't think we'll ever come back here. It's just, I don't know, a cute date idea to check it out once. But yeah, these drinks are just so sugary. You think we'll come back?
No.
Yeah, we're not coming back. Happy Wednesday. I'm spending all day today creating UGC content because the package I've been waiting on since last week finally came in the mail so I can get started. The sun is out, so right now I'm getting some product shots. I finished 2 of the 5 videos that I need to deliver, so that leaves me with 3. They're pretty easy. Some of them are TikTok trends, but I am filming the TikTok trends with my iPhone camera because I want the quality to be good. So right now I'm just focusing on shooting the content, getting whatever B-roll I need, so when I start to edit the content, I don't have to come back and shoot some more. So here's a little behind the scenes. This is my makeshift counter because we don't get any daylight whatsoever in our kitchen. But the trick here is to just zoom in, and then I'm gonna zoom in a little bit more so you don't see the background. And perfect, that's the shot. And that, my friends, is Instagram versus reality. I know this is so ghetto, but it works. It gets the job done. You gotta do what you gotta do. I'm taking a break from editing, but let me show you my new shoes that came in the mail over the weekend. Oh, aren't they so beautiful? So I have these in black and white, but they're just so old that I was in need of a new pair. And when I saw that these restocked on Journeys, I immediately bought them. How freaking pretty are these? I haven't worn them yet. I'm actually gonna put them on right now. My husband and I are gonna go for a walk. I plan on pairing them with the pink bodysuit that I got off of TikTok Shop. I'm gonna ask my man for some pictures. He doesn't know it yet, but he probably expects it at this point. And then I also bought these pastel flower claw clips off of Amazon because I have a bunch of claw clips, but they're just kind of old and I don't have any pastel ones like this. I specifically bought these for the yellow shade in particular because I have a pair of yellow linen pants coming in the mail from TikTok Shop and I want to create a cute outfit with them. I put a pink and white flower claw clip in my hair. This outfit is so freaking cute. I'm wearing a medium in this jumpsuit. I probably could have got away with a large though. I'm finding that I just fit larges lately because I'm usually a medium true to size, but a lot of brands just run small. So to play it safe, lately I've just been buying larges. Happy Friday. I've been feeling like I've been fighting something these last couple of days, so I've just been taking it easy. I made myself some tea and I thought I would open some packages with you because I have a couple and this is one of them. It's a Tower 28. I think it's their, yeah, new Gentle Gel Cleanser. It's a cute packaging. It says break me, so I thought I would do that on camera. I'm afraid. I'm like, what should I break it with? I got a hammer, but I'm scared to break what's inside, so I'm just gonna try to be gentle. Oh. What are you meant to break this with? Whoa. I kind of think maybe I should just cut it with some scissors. Ooh, that was loud. Okay. Oh my gosh. So dramatic. Oh my God, I was gonna say, did I bust the bottle? So this is their new cleanser, which is perfect because I've been needing another one. I don't really like the road cleanser that I have. It kind of dries my skin out. So hopefully I'll love this one. Okay, that was really intense. The next thing I got is this package from Ilia. I know they're known for their creamy, milky face base or whatever it's called, but they didn't send that. They sent over some new products for me to try. One of them is the Super Serum Skin Tint. And I had to match my color online, so hopefully it matches my skin tone, but it looks like it will. So there's that. I'm excited to do my makeup with that. This is their Skin Rewind Complexion Stick. This one's dented a little bit. Is it supposed to be like that? Maybe so you can hold it, but I love how it says their name on this stick. And then the last thing they sent was this Bright Star Activated Eye Cream. I think these are the yellow linen pants that I ordered. Yep, they are. What? These are so cute. I got a size large, of course. I love how they have this little thing in the middle, just like Princess Polly does. Again, from TikTok Shop. These are pretty soft. I would have filmed an OOTD with them today, but I'm just not feeling good. Plus, it's just been gloomy all week, and I need some good natural daylight for that, so kind of worked out. So, I saw Khloe Kardashian doing an ad for this brand. They're called, it's Korean skincare, and it's called Medicube. So I ordered some of their stuff on TikTok Shop. It's a free sample. And I want to try it out myself because everyone's been raving about it. Korean skincare is supposed to be the best. This is supposed to exfoliate your skin really good, so your skincare absorbs a lot better. So this is what it looks like. And then this is the jelly cream, collagen jelly cream. This stuff is expensive, so that's why I got it as a free sample. I mean, I wasn't about to spend a couple $100s on this stuff. But yeah, if you look up Khloe Kardashian's page, I don't know if it's on her page or if like it's just on their website as an ad, but I'm like, how much did they pay her? Because I know she is not cheap. Okay, so this is what I was talking about in my last vlog when I was talking about the Tower 28 SOS spray. So this is like the same exact thing for a cheaper price. I got this on TikTok Shop too. It was a free sample. I've already sprayed it on my face a couple of times. They say it's really good to apply after a workout. It's good for acne, if you have eczema, psoriasis. So I'm gonna continue to use this and see what happens, but so far my skin is actually looking nice. Not only can you use it for your skin, you can also use it as an all-purpose cleaner, which is really cool. There's just 3 simple ingredients in here. Purified water, which is like 99.83%, and then sodium chloride and hypochlorous acid. Last package, this is the tool that you use with the skincare products that I just showed you. I'm gonna use this tonight. I'm lazy because I'm not feeling too good, but I'm like trying to push myself. Oh, cool. So this one actually came with another collagen jelly cream. Okay, dang, this thing is like packaged like an iPhone. And that's the device. Pretty bougie, right? I'm also almost done finishing my book, and I already ordered my next book. It's called A Court of Thorns and Roses. I couldn't remember it earlier when I was talking about it, but I went ahead and ordered that to motivate me to finish this one because I'm more than halfway through now. I am just a slow reader, so I think I'm just gonna spend the rest of the day finishing this book, and I'll be happy with that if that's all I do, because that will be an accomplishment for me. I haven't finished a book in a while, so I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new one next week. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you have an amazing week. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.